tire's pointing right, and this tire's pointing straight.
And we're back at August Luxury Motor Cars. You might be wondering why we're here. You might not be wondering why we're here. You might just be here for a good time. Well, if you didn't know, I still own this Hummer H1. And I just haven't really driven it. It's been sitting at August for about 7 months now. And I figure no better time now than to take the Hummer on an off-road experience up a mountain. It's pouring rain today, and I can't think of a better time to do this. So let's give it a go. Got it all parked there. Before we get too carried away with off-roading, let's get checked in, get a little food in the tank, and we'll keep going. That's where I usually stay, right over there, but not today. It's booked full with hockey teams, so we'll stay here today. All right, guys, we're fed. We did change out the Jordan 5s to an Air Max because I'm not gonna go off-roading in a Jordan 5, sorry about that. And yeah, let's go check out the rain, let's go see what kind of adventure we can get into, and see what kind of exploring we can find here. We're in the beautiful Okanagan Valley, and there's no shortage of hills around here. Anyway, let's take Beast out for a ride here and see what kind of trouble we can get to do. Even compliments of the August decals there on the side. And well, I guess it goes without saying, when driving an H1, the first thing you need to do is stop for fuel. So we should probably fill this thing up. It does have 2 tanks and costs about 200 bucks. But then there's no worry should something happen, or no shortage of fuel when you're out there. So let's get that done. All right, we are all fueled up. We got a drink, and let's go climb a mountain. I'd like to point out that I put $175 in, and it got me just over half a tank. For those wondering how a Hummer doesn't fuel, $175. There you go.
tire's pointing right, and this tire's pointing straight. So look at that, easy.
This is our first time below the clouds in a few hours.
Oh, came down, almost back in the city.
I think your beard grew a little bit while we were up there. Yeah, you can see the city right there. You can just start to see it. It actually looks brighter on my camera than it actually is outside. It's not that bright outside, but yeah, cool, man. Keep cruising here. Was that a decent first durability test for the Hummer?
Oh, yeah, that was pretty good, yeah. I'll
Pretty
test
good?
it out more tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure. I'm putting air back in the tires now too. Oh, you can't really see, but yeah. We'll give her a go tomorrow. You gotta grab your recovery gear, I guess.
Yeah.
Because you were smart and you brought recovery gear. How much recovery gear did I bring?
Zero.
Zero. I brought a cell phone. So, cool, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next up on the old Hummer. Standard Hummer things going on here. Guess we're gonna have to go buy a socket set next. How much Hummer do you think you can fix with crescent wrench? It's like $34. I'm not buying a whole socket set. Yep. All right, let's get this dealt with here. Oh, I guess big moment of truth here. We'll see what happens. Oh, we got lights this time. That's a positive thing, but we had lights one other time and nothing happened, so let's see here. Oh, we're cranking at least. Getting somewhere. Ooh, that's a good start. Woo, what a day. You guys didn't see it on here. I actually fixed the Hummer in the Canadian Tire parking lot with a crescent wrench, if you believe that. Anyway, as always, do all the good stuff. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. The next one will be durability test number 2. That'll be dropping 1 week from today. You don't want to miss it. Thanks a lot.